For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a private investigator, PI, business can be an exciting and rewarding venture for those interested in uncovering facts and helping people solve mysteries. The private investigation industry requires a combination of legal knowledge, investigative skills, and business acumen. Fortunately, you don't have to go it alone. Free AI tools can help you plan, launch, and grow your PI business effectively and efficiently. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process using free AI tools to support your journey. Step 1. Research the private investigator industry and legal requirements. Before starting, it's crucial to understand the industry landscape and legal requirements in your state or country. Licensing rules for private investigators vary widely, so use AI-powered research tools such as ChatGPT or Google Bard to gather up-to-date information about regulations, licensing procedures, insurance needs, and continuing education. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Summarize the legal requirements and licensing process for starting a private investigator business in your state/country. Include information on necessary qualifications, permits, and insurance. Step 2. Define your private investigator business niche. The PI industry covers a wide range of services, including surveillance, background checks, fraud investigation, missing persons, and more. Identify which niche or niches you want to focus on based on your interests, skills, and market demand. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to analyze market trends or generate ideas for niches by asking for insights or lists of popular PI services. Prompt example for ChatGPT. What are the most in-demand private investigator services in 2025, and which niches have the best growth potential? Step 3. Create a detailed business plan. A strong business plan will guide your operations and help you secure funding if needed. Use free AI writing assistants, such as ChatGPT, to draft your business plan. The plan should include your business goals, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategies, pricing models, and financial projections. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Write a detailed business plan for a private investigator business, focusing on surveillance and background checks, targeting small businesses and individuals in your location. Include marketing strategies and financial projections for the first year. Step 4. Choose a business name and register your business. Select a professional and memorable name for your PI business. AI tools like Namalix or ChatGPT can help generate business name ideas based on keywords you provide. Once you settle on a name, check domain name availability using services like Namecheap or GoDaddy to ensure your online presence can align with your brand. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Suggest 10 professional business names for a private investigator company specializing in fraud detection and background checks. After deciding, register your business as a legal entity, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc., through your local government portal or business registration website. Step 5. Develop a marketing plan and online presence. To attract clients, create a marketing plan using AI tools like ChatGPT to help draft strategies and content ideas. Consider a mix of online marketing, website, SEO, social media, and offline efforts, networking local ads. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Create a marketing plan for a private investigator business targeting local law firms and insurance companies. Include online and offline strategies with a budget under $1,000. For your website, use free website builders like Wix or WordPress and generate engaging copy with AI. Use tools like ChatGPT to write your homepage, services page, and blog posts. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Write a compelling homepage introduction for a private investigator business emphasizing professionalism, discretion, and experience. Step 6. Obtain necessary equipment and tools. A PI business requires certain tools like cameras, GPS trackers, laptops, and specialized software for data collection and analysis. Research and budget for essential equipment. For software tools, some free or freemium options include Trello for task management, Evernote for note-taking, and Google Workspace for document collaboration. Use AI to research the best budget-friendly tools for private investigators. Prompt example for ChatGPT. List the essential equipment and free or low-cost software tools recommended for a starting private investigator business. Step 7. Build your knowledge and skills with online learning. Even if you have some investigative experience, continuous learning is vital. Use free AI-powered educational platforms like Khan Academy or Coursera to take courses related to criminal justice, cyber investigation, or business management. You can also ask ChatGPT to summarize complex legal topics or investigative techniques. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Explain the basics of surveillance techniques used by private investigators. Step 8. Network and find clients. Establish connections within industries that commonly need private investigators, such as law firms, insurance companies, and businesses. Use AI tools like LinkedIn's AI-powered search or ChatGPT to draft professional outreach emails and proposals. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Write a professional introductory email for a private investigator business offering services to law firms. You can also automate client follow-ups and appointment scheduling using free tools like Google Calendar and AI email assistants. Step 9. Manage your finances and client records. Keep detailed records of your expenses, invoices, and client information using free AI-powered accounting tools like Wave or Zoho Books. Free tiers available. Use AI chatbots to generate invoice templates and reminders. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Generate a professional invoice template for private investigation services. Conclusion. Starting a private investigator business can be made much more manageable and cost-effective by leveraging free AI tools throughout the process. From researching legal requirements and defining your niche to crafting marketing strategies and managing finances, AI can provide guidance, content creation, and automation support. By combining your investigative skills with the power of AI, you can build a professional, efficient, and competitive PI business that meets client needs and grows steadily. Embrace AI as a partner in your entrepreneurial journey and watch your private investigator business thrive. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.